How to see all of your saved password on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's begin. Now, the first step that you need to do is to launch your Google Chrome. Then tap on your profile icon on the top. Then scroll down a little bit. Then under password and autofill, you are going to see a Google Password Manager. Tap on it. Then it will land here. So here is where all of your saved password are. You can see where you had saved your password. Now, for example, if you want to see the password for Facebook, you are going to tap on facebook.com. Then you will enter your fingerprint or your phone password. Then here is where your password is. As you can see, when you tap on the eye icon, you are going to see your Facebook password. Now, if you go back, you will be able to see other passwords. Let's say, for example, Google. You can tap on it. Then here, you will be able to see your Google password. As you can see here, when you tap on the eye icon, you'll be able to see your Google password. And also other website which you had logged in or you had created account, you'll be able to see their passwords here. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to see all of your saved passwords on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.